Everyone, how's everybody doing? Hmm?
Good morning, Nikhil.
Good morning, very good morning. How's everybody doing?
Yeah, good.
Great, great, great. Okay, all right. So I guess we can start. Okay, so our today's topic is alerts and frames. It is the last topic of front-end automation. Okay, and we have already completed 52% of the course. All right. All right, guys, give me a thumbs up if my screen is visible. Mhm. All all right, give me 2 minutes. Let me open the VS Code. All right. Is everyone able to see the VS Code?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
All right. All right, guys, before we jump into the code, is there anyone who can explain what is frames? Frames, from frames, I mean iframe and alerts. What are alerts and what are iframes? Any one of you guys?
Alerts are a kind of pop-up that shows up whenever we open the site or something like a warning thing. That's what.
Mhm. Okay. Anyone else? Guys, before we move further, please turn on your cameras. Mhm. Okay, great. What about rest of you guys? Please turn on your cameras. Yeah, I don't like to teach this way and unless you guys don't interact. So please turn on your cameras. All right. So anyone else? What are frames and alerts in browsers? Guys, that's very simple. Come on.
Yeah.
Window inside another window is a frame.
Yes, a window inside another window is a frame, right? Okay, anyone else?
Yeah. Alerts are just a pop-up type. It's have three types of alerts. Some types is need to accept and dismiss, and some require to enter the input value.
Great. You are right. All right, all right. All right, guys. So again, alert, these are the system messages. See, alerts are of many types. There can be alerts that are embedded with the website, and there are some alerts that are embedded inside the browser. I will show you. Give me a minute. Yeah, JavaScript alerts. Okay, so click on these kind of alerts. You see all of the screen has freezed, right? My any of the click is unacceptable, and even I am unable to click the right click. Okay, even my right click is not working unless I don't click this OK button, nothing will work, and I won't be able to inspect as well. Okay, I will show you one thing that even if I inspect first and click on this, I cannot find the element for this OK button. Okay, there is no element for this OK button. So how do we handle this? Okay, so how do we handle this? This is the main problem here. All right, and I will show you. Let's talk about frames later. Let's do the alert thing first. Okay, let's learn the terminologies. So alerts, these are the system messages that pop up over the browser. This is important, over the browser. Okay, not over the application. These pop-ups are over the browsers. Someone has sent something. Okay, all right. Okay. So over the browser, like, are you sure you want to delete this? You must have seen this, right? So they freeze the page until you answer them, just as I showed. The page will freeze until unless I click the OK button, right? I am not able to click anywhere else, and I am not able to use inspect bar as well, right? Okay, so in Playwright, there are events we have to listen for. Guys, there is one more event we have listened for earlier. Will anyone please answer? There is one more event we already listened for in Playwright. Do you guys remember? I will give you a hint. When we were using promise.all, we listened for an event. Do you guys remember?
And tab
When coming
switching
to Playwright, switch the
on
new
your
tab.
tab.
Yes, we were listening for the new tab, new context. Sorry, new page only. Right. Right. So you guys remember that. That's great. Okay. So frames. I'm not showing you what are frames like just right now. Okay. So these are website inside website. Let me show you here. Else you will get confused. Frames, frames, frames. Yeah, here are nested frames, I guess. Do you see? These are frames. Okay. Websites inside websites. So I will show you. You see, these are not, you see, these are inside a frame tag. Do you see this? All these are inside the frame tag. So I cannot control them directly through page locator. I have to find a frame locator for them. Don't worry, we will read about them. Not a big deal, not very hard. Okay, but do you guys understood what are frames? Hmm? I will show you one more example on YouTube. Now you see, these videos are also inside frames. Okay, I will show you. I'm not very sure, but most probably these videos are inside the frames. No, these are actually inside div elements. Not very sure, but there is something that is inside frames on YouTube as well. Okay. All right, I might have to find it. But again, these are the things. This is how frame works. So website inside website. Okay. This is the basic definition of the frames. Do you guys got it? So this is a website inside another website. Imagine browsing YouTube, but there is a small box showing a Wikipedia article. We guys have seen this, right? We guys have seen this many times that we sometimes see another website inside YouTube as well. Okay, let's scroll a little. I guess we will see it. You see, this should be iFrame, I guess. Most probably. I'm not sure. No, this is not. But there will be things that are website inside website. Anyways, I'm not able to find it right now. But you guys understood what are frames? Hmm? Do you guys understood this? What are frames actually?
Yes.
Yes.
Don't we have iframes? Frames. I guess nested frames was something else. Yeah, here we have iframe. You see, this is another website inside website. This is a complete frame. I will show you guys. You see, this content box is a frame inside this website, okay? And this heading is also inside a frame, okay? All right, do you got it? What are frames? All right, guys, say yes or no. If you guys got it, say yes.
Yes.
Give me a thumbs up if you
Yes,
guys
yes.
understood this. Okay. All right. So alerts, what is the analogy? A security guards jump into your face and ask ID, please. You cannot walk past, interact him. You have to interact with the alert, right? So if an alert appears, you just have to interact with it. Either you have to say yes, or either you have to say no, or either you have to give him an input. All right. So you have to interact with the alert. And frame is like picture in picture TV. Okay. I will show you one more example. Whenever we start a video on YouTube, right? So we have a PIP mode, picture in picture mode, right? That is also again a kind of iframe. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So why this is crucial? If you don't handle confirm, just giving you example. Okay. Let's say if you don't handle purchase pop-up on an e-commerce website. So let's say there is a confirm purchase pop-up. Your test will change and fail, right? And there is again one more thing. Playwright by default dismisses. Dismiss means say no to alerts. Okay, if we in case we have to say yes, then our test case will change. Okay, Playwright by default says no to any alert. Okay. And many frames, many complex apps like banking sites and payment portals have embedded third-party iframes. Okay, like chatbots or something else. So to interact with these iframes, we need to have a iframe knowledge, right? Do you guys understood? Do you guys understood? Say yes or no, guys.
Yes.
All right. So let's go through the manual steps. This is our website. We have to redirect to this page. Okay, go to JavaScript alerts. Okay. So JavaScript alerts. Okay, here are JavaScript alerts. We have to redirect to this website. And we have to say click on JS alert. This is click for JS alert. Okay. Now we have to click on OK, and then someone's mic is on mute. Vikram can all right. Okay, then we have to click on another button, click for JS confirm. Now this has two button, OK and cancel. In this we have to press cancel button. Okay. In this we have to press cancel button. And then we have click for JS prompt. Okay, in this we have to type in hello. Okay, all the three kinds of prompt we will be covering here. All right. Now go to iframe. Let me just change the. Okay, go to this iframe. Notice the text box inside it's actually inside a iframe. So this text box, this is inside a iframe, right? This text box is inside a iframe. All right. So you have to type inside, I am inside iframe into this box, and you will be only able to do it if you are inside the iframe. Okay, got it? I don't know why I'm not able to type here, but anyways, we will see what happens. All right, so I'm copying the whole code. All right, and then we will go step by step. All right, are the manual steps clear? Guys, are the manual steps clear?
Yes.
All right. All right. So any confusions in the line number 1?
No.
Sure. Any confusions in these 3 lines? What I have highlighted? Okay, these 4 lines actually. Any confusions in these 4 lines?
No.
Okay, so this is how we set up a listener for dialog box that we have to accept. Okay, for a dialog box we have to accept. All right. So we are on the JavaScript alerts page. All right. So we have to say page.on. We have to say page.on. Then we have to tell. We usually call it dialog box. We call these type of alerts as dialog box. All right. What we call these type of alerts as dialog box. Okay, so in Playwright know them by the name dialog. Already dialog, then again a sync dialog, then again a arrow function, and then we are just printing it. You can ignore this. So dialog.message is used to print the text written over it. Okay, dialog.message is used for printing the text over written on the alert. So what will this alert print? What will this alert print?
I am a JS alert.
Right, I am a JS alert. Okay. Guys, I am getting answers from only one or few students. I want everyone present in the class to answer. All right. Okay. So alert says dialog.message, and to accept, we say await dialog.accept. Since we only have a OK button on this, so we have to say dialog.accept. We to accept, just to confirm or cancel, to confirm or OK, whatever is the positive thing, we say dialog.accept. Okay. All right. Dialog.accept will accept this pop-up or click on OK or confirm button. OK, confirm, or maybe yes button. All right. Got it?
Yes.
Then we will use the second, then we will click on the second button. Okay, what is the second button? Second button will trigger this pop-up. All right. All right. Now
Yes.
again, so scenario B, we can update the listener logic or just rely the default listener. Okay. Since we are doing page.once, okay, why we are doing page.once? As I told you, once means only one time. Once means only one time. Okay. So that's why I am adding one time listener, so that it doesn't affect the next listener. Okay. Because in this listener, I am going to set the value as false. Means I am going to accept the negative value. That means I am going to click cancel or no or something like that. Okay. In the negative value. So we will use page.once for every time whenever we are giving the value false in dialog box. So same thing, dialog async dialog console.log dialog.message. This is the same line. Now since we have to click on cancel button, we will say await dialog.dismiss. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear, guys? Dialog.dismiss. Is it clear till this?
Yes.
Okay, why we use once here? We are using once here because we don't want this listener to affect our next listener. If I said page.once here, then my next, if I say page.on and dialog.dismiss, then my next listener will also follow dismiss, but dismiss is already the default value. Okay, so we will use page.once. Whenever we are using dismiss, we will say page.once. Okay.
Okay.
All right, now we will click on the third button. All right, click for JS confirm, JS prompt, right? We will click on this. Okay. Validate the result. Await, expect to have text, you click cancelled. Okay, we will verify this result. We are not doing the third prompt. Okay. We are not doing the third prompt. All right, no worries. Okay, third prompt will be homework for you guys. You have to research a little and find out. Okay. click for, we are actually clicking on it, and okay. Page not good, please don't wait. Okay, we are clicking on it. All right. Oh, okay. We are clicking on it, and the default value will be dismiss. Okay, so it will be cancelled automatically, right? Okay, and then we have to verify that even after clicking the third prompt, the value. All right. You clicked OK. You click cancel. Click for JS prompt. And if I click cancel here, you entered null. All right. It will say you entered null. You click cancel. Most probably this is going to fail. Let's check this part first, and then we will move to part 2. Okay. All right. Let's cancel this first. Let's try it. What is happening actually? Okay. Part 2 editors. Okay, I am commenting this part, and let's check what is happening in this first. Okay, if there is something that is happening not accordingly, we will check it. Okay. All right, so let's run it once. Let's see if this pass or fail. I guess if either something is missing in this code or it failed, right? Where did it fail? Dialog.dismiss. Cannot dismiss the dialog which is already handled. Clicks cancel. Page.once. Expect locator to have text cancel. You click cancel. We are missing something, guys. We are missing something here. First of all, we are okay. The first thing, we are not clicking on the first button. This is the first thing. Dialog.message, dialog.accept. So this is not working. We missed something in the code from notes to check. Guys, what we are missing here, see, when I open this website, okay, let me open this, okay, let's do everything manually. I will directly hit this website. Okay, see, no pop-up. Okay, now we are not telling him to click any button. We have to click this button, right? We have to click this, click for JS alert button. Then only we will reach here, right? All right. So let me add it. Await page dot locator. Okay, wait. Let me just copy this line and just change the name. What is the name? The name is click for JS alert. All right. Are we doing things inversely? Click for JS alert, and next should be click for JS confirm. All right. Are we doing things in a wrong direction? Okay, we have to set the trigger the alert. Okay, it's already handled. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys, it is written actually correctly. We have not done anything wrong here, but let me see what is the error here. Let's run it with the debugger. Okay, now here comes the real use of debugger, right? Okay, let's run it with the debugger. Let's see what actually happens. I hope we will get the solution very quickly. Okay, the first step would be redirecting to the web page. Okay, let's redirect. Now the listener is already ready, page.one. Okay, the listener is already ready. Okay, now I will click on this click for JS button and it will listen. All right, it works fine. Now click for JS confirm. Okay, the listener is already handled, page.once. It worked. And you clicked on OK. All right. Why it says you clicked on OK? We actually said click cancel. We actually said click on dismiss. All right, let me run it once more. All right. Cannot dismiss the dialog box which is already handled. Okay. JS confirm. It's not clicking on cancel. I didn't get it. Okay, let me show you one more advanced feature of ChatGPT. Oh, sorry, not ChatGPT. Let me show you the one of very advanced feature of Playwright here. Okay, do you see a copy prompt button in this report? Just copy the prompt and go to any of the, AI site. Okay, now paste the prompt. It will give the prompt automatically and you just have to send. Okay, I will be using Gemini because I have a pro version of it. Okay, now it will tell you what is the error and how to resolve it. Okay, it will tell you what is going wrong. Isn't it very amazing? This is how Playwright has integrated AI itself. Okay, there are many other things that Playwright have integrated in AI, but this is something. You defined a permanent locator on the beginning of line page.once. Okay. The second dialog listener intercept the crash page.once tries to dismiss, but it throws an error because we already failed because first listener click on the okay the text on the page.once instead of all right. I got it. Actually, we have to use once here as well because there are multiple pop-ups on this page. And if I say page.one already one time, then it is going to set all the alerts permanent for this alert. Okay. It is going to set all the alerts as okay. So we have to say page.once every time. Okay. Let's run this again. At this time it should work. You see, it passed and it's very, very quick this time. Guys, any doubts why we write page.once here? See, if I define page.on on the top now, it will define it as permanent for all of the alerts. Okay, for all of the alerts. Since we were handling multiple alerts now, that's why we need to use page.once for every alert. Do you guys got it? Guys, say yes or no. Do you guys got it or not?
Got it.
All right. Nothing rocket science. It was very easy. All right, so I guess now we can move to part 2. Let me uncomment the part 2 thing. All right, I saved it. Okay, this should be commented only. All right. So we have to any doubts in these 2 lines, guys?
No.
No. All right. So as I said, now what we have to do, let me go to website first, iFrame. All right, as I said already, edit load charges. What is this going on? 10 EMC you read only because we more loaders and level this time. Just give me a minute, guys. All right. I don't know if this is going to work or not. It's some plan issue here. Okay. I probably this is going to fail because we won't be able to type here because this is some plan issue. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's stick to the concept. Okay. I will show you that this is an iframe. I already showed you, and this iframe must have a ID. I will actually directly show you the ID. Okay. Do you see one element matching? Do you see one element matching? And this is the one element that is matching. Okay. I'm not able to find that iframe inside here. Yeah. Where is that? You see here is the iframe closing tag. So up here you see, and this iframe is having a ID. Okay. Do you guys see this iframe is having a ID? This iframe tag is having a ID.
Yes.
So we cannot handle directly with the page dot, we cannot handle iframes directly with the page.locator or using CSS selectors. We have a special method for it, and that special method is called frameLocator. Page.frameLocator, and this frameLocator again, this can accept CSS selector IDs dot class, something like that. Okay. Do you got it? Do you got it, guys? Do you got it, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so this frame locator is similar to locator method. We just have to change the word page.frameLocator. All right, and this accept IDs, classes, CSS selector, and everything that locator accepts. All right. Now again, what is this? What I have done this? I have what I have done this. We did this yesterday as well. So what we did this? Just observe the previous step and this step. What we have done this. Guys, this is limiting of scope. We did it yesterday as well. See, this is the complete iframe. Okay, this is the complete iframe. Now, inside this iframe, I just want the locator of this text box, right? Agree?
Okay.
Okay. I just want the locator of this text box. Okay. So inside iframe, this has the ID tiny MCE. Okay, I will show you. All right, and you see one element matching and the exact element is highlighting as well. Okay, so we have limited the scope. We are not searching on the complete page. We are just searching inside the iframe. All right, so text box is equals to editor frame dot locator and the ID of the text box, right? Is this clear, guys?
Clear.
Okay. Now we will click on the text box. We will clear the content that is already written. Clear method is used to erase the content. Okay. And now we will use fill method. I have penetrated the frame. All right. Now we will accept that this frame has this text box. Okay. I have penetrated the frame, and then we will console.log. Any doubts in these 4 steps, guys? I guess this is going to fail because there is some plan issue and I don't know if we will able to do it or not. But let's try this. This is some plan issue I see here. Because I am not manually, I am not able to clear it and type anything else inside this. Okay. So I don't know what is the issue, but let's see. Okay. Let's see if this works or not. All right. All right. So shall I run it?
Yes.
All right. I guess I should run it in the headed mode. I guess I should run it in the debugger mode so we can see the things more clearly. But it is going to fail, I'm very sure. If it doesn't, then there is something that is, see, it is going to fail here because this pop-up is coming, na? And we haven't handled this. And even if we handle this, na, it will fail. It will again fail. Okay. Okay. It was, wait. I will, it cleared, but it was not able to fill the things, right? It failed on the clear method because it's not able to clear it, right? All right. Let's see if we can handle this step as well. Okay. Here. Let's see if we can handle this close button as well. Okay. Guess we can handle this. Okay, it's a SVG. Right. Hmm. How many SVG? Okay, 18 elements. And this is our element SVG. Okay, we have button as well. Okay, we got a exact matching of this element. All right. So this appear as soon as the website loads, right? Okay, let's try this. So wait, page.locator, and this is the locator we have. Dot click, right? Okay, so let's try this again and see if it works. Mhm. Okay, okay. It failed because the clear method is not working. As I said, even I am not able to do it manually, right? So there is some plan issue, but our code is correct. Okay, our code is 110% correct. All right. Any doubts in this code, guys? Any doubts in
No.
this code? Okay, so no doubts. All right, let's see what we have moving forward. Okay, all right, we have done this. Page.on, I already told you what is page.on. Okay, then dialog.accept versus dialog.dismiss, we already did this. frameLocator, we just did. Page.once, we already did page.once. All right, and what happens if a JavaScript alert pop-ups in Playwright and I don't write any code to handle it? It will auto dismiss it. All right, because Playwright handles by default as the dismiss. Okay. How do you handle nested frame? You can give it a read. Page.locator, parent frame dot frame locator dot child, then the child frame. Okay. Dot locator button, whatever. Okay. Can page.on dialog handle HTML models? Like, no. Okay. Okay. Any confusions, guys? Okay. So this is the assignment. Okay. And another assignment is you have to find out on this. Just 1 second, guys. on this. When we click on this JS prompt and type something, how do we type something? Just Google it, you will find it very simple. It's very simple, nothing complex. It's very similar that we earlier did for click method. We earlier did for dialog.accept and dialog.dismiss. It is very similar. First, you have to enter and then dialog.accept or dialog.dismiss. Okay, let's say you entered and you have to verify that whatever you entered here is popping up here. Let's say I entered hi. Okay, and click on OK. So hi should be popped up here, right? Is the assignment clear? So there are two assignments. Okay, all right.
Okay.
Okay, I hope no one is having any confusions. Okay. Okay, we can wind up the class here. Thank you for attending the class, guys. Bye bye and have a great Sunday.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.